Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, welcome to the channel. How y'all doing? I'm Sonny and this is Sonny Kicks. Are you looking for great sneaker reviews, amazing on-feet shots, how to finesse the kicks, mall vlogs, sneaker updates, anything else in that nature? Then you, my friend, are in the right place. Alright, cue the intro.
Batter up, lyrics and home runs. I don't do this for fun, nigga. I'm Aaron Judge with it, tough with it. Burn it through paper as if a slug hit it. See you paid, now it's time to pay attention.
Alright, y'all, and without hesitation, let's get started off with the topic. Today I'm gonna be showing y'all 4 different ways to lace your Air Jordan 4s. I truly do appreciate all the love and support y'all been showing to the channel, so without further ado, let's get into the lacing. For the first lacing style, we're gonna do a loose tie, and this is what the finished product is gonna look like. So let's go ahead and get the other pair. Now, of course, if yours are still factory laced, take them out of the eyelids and everything, and that way it'll stop at this lace hole right here, right before you get to the cushioning. And what you're gonna do is and now you're just gonna unlace them even more until they're loose. All you gotta do now is just tie them. And when you tie them, don't try to make them too tight. Make sure you get it just right. And once you got it, loosen it up some more. Gonna pull that apart. And then just slide it down, and you got your finished loose tie product. And this is very casual and clean, so next up, we got the loose lace, and this will be the final product. So let's go ahead and get started with this one. See, as you can see, I already had this one as my go-to, so just gonna unlace this. Then you're gonna put it through this very first eyelid right here. Alright, and then once you have them through those eyelids, you're gonna go to this part, and you're gonna put it through the middle one. Well, you don't have to put it through the middle, but that's what I always choose. That little bit of extra lacing, because you don't want to put them too far down. That way they'll be like scraping against like the bottom of the shoe or like the ground. So once you get that good spacing, loosen it up again. This one down some more. Number 2, loose lace. Bang. This is what I call the typical lace style. This is just the generic way. You know, you got the dead style laces, You know, you just take it from the dead stock look, and then you just tie it up normal. Nothing else to it. You just tie them. Once you take them out of these lace holes, you can keep them in if you want, but me personally, I decide to take them out. And you're gonna just loosen the shoes up again. And once you collect enough string, you're gonna make sure that they're both equal in height. And you're gonna take 2 fingers, put them through the middle, go into a 360 rotation, and then there's gonna be a circle around, and then there will be a circle around your middle finger. And then you're gonna put the laces right through the middle. Now sometimes it is a pain to do, but other times it gets easier as you constantly do it. Then you're just gonna get a clean knot, pull down, and after that, just loosen it up so that it's nice and even. Thank you everybody for tuning into the channel. If you're new or haven't subscribed yet, what you waiting on? The grind is not stopping. And if you enjoyed, please make sure y'all hit that like button. Comment down below which lacing style is your favorite. And yeah. Hope you guys all have a great day and see you next time.